In this video, I'm going to show you how to outline in Tinkercad. Now to do this, first you want to create the object you want to outline. For this, I'm going to use this star over here because it's a bit more of a complex object. And then as you can see, I'm going to resize it. And now this looks perfect. Now we're going to use a trick over here, which is going to be exporting an SVG and then importing it back. So let me show you how to do this. You want to go and click on the export button top right, and then click on .svg over here. It says for laser cutting, but that's not what we use it for. You just click on .svg and it's going to download onto your computer just like this. Then I'm going to move this and we're going to import it. So click on import top right and then select your file. I'm going to pick this one, which I just created, or you can just drag and drop it from here and then click on import over here. You can play with this. I'm going to leave it like it is and click on import. Now when you do this, it's going to import your object and it's going to look pretty much the same as it did before. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty much the same thing. So we can just remove the previous one over here. And now what I'm going to do with this is outline it. So if you click on it, if you click on the imported SVG, I'm going to see over here on the right, you have shape, extend this if it's not extended by default. And then you can go to where it says fill mode and you can change this from default to something like inner line. So if I click on inner line over here, I can change the line width like this. And as you can see, if I go very small, like something like 0.5, for example, I do have an outline made out of my object, okay, which is amazing. Now you could also do something like outer line over here. You can change this as well if you want to. And yeah, that's essentially how to do this, okay? I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.